How we doing, folks? James Farrer here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this 2017 BMW X3 xDrive20d M Sport, which comes in this dark silver metallic finish with the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front M Sport bumper with the parking sensors. Around to the side here, the BMW smoked alloys on roll flat tyres, the xDrive20d badging and M Sport badging, the privacy glass in the rear with the black trim surrounding the windows, the rear spoiler, the shark fin aerial up top. If you come around to the back, you had the BMW X3 badging at the back, the rear LED tail lights, rear parking camera and rear parking sensors. Also on board is the automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. The rear seats are also collapsible to give you even more trunk space. And to close the boot, it's a simple click of the key click of the button up there. Now let's take a quick look at the interior.